How to download CapCut in Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Rose and I'll walk you through on how to download CapCut in Android in simple and easy steps. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's begin. First of all, launch Play Store application on your Android device. Make sure to sign in to your account. Tap on the search icon at bottom right corner of your screen and tap search bar at top of the screen. Now type in CapCut and now tap on the search icon on your keyboard. From the results section, you need to search for CapCut Video Editor, which is the official application of CapCut. After that, you need to tap on the application and then you'll see install button. Tap on install and according to your internet connection and storage you have on your device, it will take a few time to download. Once it is downloaded, you will see on install and open button. You can simply exit Play Store and then you will see it on your home screen as well. Now you can easily edit the videos and photos using CapCut. In this way, we download CapCut in Android. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.